Just bring your suitcase and move right into this totally remodeled condo. A must to see. Partially furnished and sleeps 10 in style with soaring ceiling, custom draperies, wood-burning fireplace, crown molding and built-ins. Great white kitchen with solid surface countertops, appliances, full laundry room with washer and dryer. A great spot on the lake with boat slip. Condo also boasts newer roof, Trek deck and newer siding, nicely landscaped, newly coated blacktop and has tennis courts. Monthly condo fee of $547.06 includes 1. Water, 2. Sewer, 3. Trash, 4. Putting in condo docks, 5. All landscaping and mowing, 6. All outside repairs including roof, siding, lights, deck, etc., 7.